Hello dear students. Now today our topic is chapter 2 real numbers of standard 9th. Now before starting practice set 2.1, let's revise the concepts which you have studied earlier and which are necessary for this chapter. So first of all we will revise the set of numbers which you have studied earlier. So let's see different sets of numbers. Sets of numbers. Now what is the first set of numbers जो आपने सबसे पहले पढ़ा है वो कौन सा है? That is set of natural numbers. This is the first set of numbers, set of natural numbers. इसमें कौन से numbers include होते हैं? Smallest number कौन सा है? तो smallest number is 1 and other numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity and so on. बिगेस्ट नंबर हम इसका बता नहीं सकते, 100 है, लाख है, करोड़ है, 10 करोड़ से 100 करोड़ से, तो बिगेस्ट नंबर वी कैन नॉट टेल, बट द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर इज़ 1. और नेचुरल नंबर्स का और दूसरा क्या नाम है? दीज आर कॉल्ड ऑल्सो कॉल्ड काउंटिंग नंबर्स. काउंटिंग नंबर्स. ओके, दिस इज द फर्स्ट सेट ऑफ नंबर्स, नेचुरल नंबर्स. व्हाट इज द सेकेंड set of numbers which you have studied? That is set of whole numbers. When 0 is added to set of natural numbers, they become whole numbers. Means हम ये भी बोल सकते हैं the union of set of natural numbers and 0 is called set of whole numbers. So set of whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. These are set of whole numbers. Next set of numbers which you have studied is set of integers. Yes, in integers there, other than these numbers of whole numbers, which numbers are there? There are negative numbers. So in whole numbers also we cannot tell the biggest number, but smallest number we know. Smallest number is 0. But in integers there are, since there are negative numbers also, we cannot tell the smallest number as well as the greatest number. From infinity numbers there may be -4, -3, -2, -1, 0 and whole numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to infinity. We cannot tell the smallest number, we cannot tell the biggest number. So these are the set of integers. And the next set of numbers is set of rational numbers. It is denoted by letter Q. Now what are rational numbers? So P upon Q is a rational number if P is any integer. P and Q both are integers. P comma Q both belong to set of integers and Q is not equal to 0. P can be any integer. It may be 0, it may be a positive number, it may be a negative integer. P कोई भी integer हो चलेगा, लेकिन Q other than 0 it may be any other integer. 0 नहीं होना चाहिए, it should not be equal to 0 because division by 0 is not defined. So other than 0 it may be any positive integer or it may be any integer, negative integer, then this number will be rational number. Examples of this number can be given as 2 upon 3 or -2 upon 3 or -5 upon 8 or 6 upon 2. Now in the set of rational numbers there are all these set are included. Set of natural numbers is included in set of whole numbers. Set of whole numbers is included in set of integers, and set of integers is included in set of rational numbers. Example 6 upon 2. So 2 goes into 6 3 times. So that is 3. 3 is also an integer. So in this set of rational numbers there are integers as well as fractions. Example -2 upon 3 is a fraction. These are all fractions. Or you can also write 0 upon 6. 0 upon 6 means 0. So these are the examples of rational numbers. Now there is one more set of numbers. It's basic concept that जो हमने सीखा है 8th में इरेशनल नंबर्स, वो हमने स्लाइटली वो सीखा है, ज़्यादा डिटेल में नहीं सीखा है. तो दैट इज सेट ऑफ इरेशनल नंबर्स, एंड सेट ऑफ इरेशनल नंबर्स इज डिनोटेड बाय q डैश और कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ सेट q. तो set examples of set of irrational numbers are square root of 2 or square root of 3, square root of 5, then cube root of 6 and so on. These are the examples of irrational numbers. And rational numbers and irrational numbers together they become set of real numbers. Real numbers, set of rational numbers plus सेट ऑफ इरेशनल नंबर्स, उन दोनों को मिला के होते हैं रियल नंबर्स. व्हेन वी ड्रॉ अ नंबर लाइन, दिस नंबर लाइन एक्चुअली रिप्रेजेंट्स रियल नंबर्स. दिस रिप्रेजेंट्स रियल नंबर. एवरी नंबर ऑन दिस नंबर लाइन इज अ रियल नंबर. तो दिस इज द लाइन ऑफ रियल नंबर्स. ओके, अब इनको अगर हम सेट्स की लैंग्वेज में लिखें तो क्या लिखेंगे? नेचुरल नंबर्स आर इंक्लूडेड इन सेट ऑफ होल नंबर्स. तो वी कैन राइट दैट सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स इज द सबसेट ऑफ सेट ऑफ होल नंबर्स. अगेन सेट ऑफ होल नंबर्स इज द सबसेट ऑफ इंटीजर्स. सो इट इज द सबसेट ऑफ सेट ऑफ इंटीजर्स. Set of integers is included in rational numbers, therefore it is the subset of set of this rational numbers. Now set of rational numbers and irrational numbers are different. तो rational numbers irrational number में include नहीं होंगे, वो अलग है, वो अलग है. And but these set of rational numbers is included in the set of real numbers. This comparison or relation we can present in different set of numbers. Now we will learn next point. Now we have to see order relation on rational numbers. Order relation का meaning क्या है? When two rational numbers are given, then which number is smaller or which number is greater, or whether the numbers are equal or not. तो वो बताना means order relation. Now suppose p upon q and r upon s, these are the two rational numbers where q and s are greater than 0, means they are positive rational numbers. Now we have to learn about order relation. Order relation में क्या हो सकता है कि 3 cases are possible. या तो p upon q is greater than r upon s, या तो p upon q is smaller than r upon s, या p upon q equals to r upon s. These 3 conditions are possible. इसके सिवा चौथी कंडीशन हो नहीं सकती. तो p upon, अब ये तीनों केस कैसे पॉसिबल है, वो कैसे अंडरस्टैंड करना है वो देखिए. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हेन these numbers are cross multiplied, means p multiplied by s and q multiplied by r. अब क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के बाद में इफ़ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स आर इक्वल देन दीज नंबर्स आर ऑल्सो इक्वल. p अपॉन q इक्वल्स टू r अपॉन s. तो पहले हमें क्या करना है, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करना है. सेकेंड, इफ़ p मल्टीप्लाइड बाय s एंड q मल्टीप्लाइड बाय r, इसमें प्रोडक्ट p इंटू एस ग्रेटर है. p मल्टीप्लाइड बाय s ग्रेटर है यानी कि q अपॉन r स्मॉलर है. तो फिर द फर्स्ट नंबर दैट इज p अपॉन q विल बी ग्रेटर देन r अपॉन s. और थर्ड केस, इफ p मल्टीप्लाइड बाय s इज स्मॉलर देन, ये कंडीशंस हैं तीनों. इफ p मल्टीप्लाइड बाय s इज स्मॉलर देन q मल्टीप्लाइड बाय r, देन the first number that is p upon q is smaller than r upon s. These are the 3 conditions. This is known as order relation on rational numbers. Okay. Now we have to learn properties of rational numbers. Here in this table we will learn the properties of rational numbers. and in this table ABC are all rational numbers. Now the first property is commutative property. In Latin, meaning of commute is to exchange. Commute means to exchange करना, तो यही property है. Now commutative property under addition of rational numbers. So what is the commutative property? A plus B equals to B plus A. This is the commutative property under addition of rational numbers. अब इसका मीनिंग क्या है? A plus B equals to B plus A. You take any two rational numbers and exchange their places, then add them, the sum will be same. Example, 2/3 plus 5/3. Now what is the sum? 2/3 plus 5/3, this is 7/3. Now suppose we exchange their places, so we write first 5/3, then 2/3. Now what is the sum? Sum is again 7/3. So while adding the two rational numbers, if we exchange their places, then the sum is same. This is called commutative property under addition. In multiplication also this property applies. Example, A into B equals to B into A. Again same numbers का अगर हम multiplication करते हैं, 2/3 into 5/3, or first we write 5/3, then we write 2/3, then what will be the product? Product will be same, it will be 10/9 in both the conditions. दोनों condition में product same आएगा. So this is the commutative property under addition and under multiplication. Order change करने से उनका जो आंसर है वो चेंज नहीं होता. Second one is associative property. Now what is associative property? If there are three numbers A, B, C, and we first add A plus B, then we add C, then we add third number C, or we add A plus B plus C, means here on the left side we are adding A plus B, then we are adding C to it, and here we are adding B plus C first, then we are adding A to it. The answer will be same. Example, we can see, we take any three rational numbers. Suppose we take the numbers 3/2 plus 5/2 plus 7, or we take 8/2. अब इसमें अगर इन दो नंबर्स का हम सम पहले करते हैं और ये इसका सम बाद में करते हैं, तो क्या होगा? 3/2 plus 5/2, this will be 8/2 plus again 8/2, this will be 16/2, that is equals to 8. या फिर अब हम क्या करते हैं? Now in second case we add these two numbers first, तो 3/2 plus the sum of these two numbers is 13/2, that is equals to again 16/2, and that is equals to 8. तो या तो आप पहले फर्स्ट टू नंबर्स का एडिशन करके बाद में थर्ड नंबर ऐड करो, या सेकंड और थर्ड नंबर का एडिशन करके बाद में फर्स्ट नंबर ऐड करो, द रिजल्ट विल बी सेम, सम विल बी सेम. दिस इज कॉल्ड एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी. इन दोनों का एसोसिएशन हुआ, वो अलग हो रह गया, वहाँ पे उन दोनों का एसोसिएशन हो गया, ये अलग, ये बाद में ऐड हुआ, तो एसोसिएशन किसका भी करो आंसर विल बी सेम. दिस प्रॉपर्टी ऑल्सो अप्लाइज अंडर मल्टीप्लिकेशन, मीन्स A into B then C, or A multiplied by B into C. तो पहले इन दो नंबर्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके बाद में थर्ड नंबर C मल्टीप्लाई करो, या B into C करके बाद में A मल्टीप्लाई करो, the result will be same. You can take these numbers and again check yourself. Third one property is identity property. So what is the identity property under addition? Any number, any rational number plus 0 equals to the same rational number. A plus 0 equals to A. किसी भी rational number में 0 प्लस करने से आंसर सेम नंबर आएगा. Here 0 is called the identity element. 0 is called identity element under addition. identity element of addition. And identity property under multiplication, a multiplied by 1 equals to a, means a multiplied by any rational number multiplied by 1 is the same rational number. आप बोलोगे सर यहाँ पे अगर a इंटू ज़ीरो इक्वल्स टू a करें तो वो तो नहीं पॉसिबल है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे वो ज़ीरो हो जाएगा. तो here the identity element of addition is 0 and here the identity element of multiplication is 1. Identity element. So identity element of multiplication is 1 and here it is 0. Now inverse property. Now what are additive inverse numbers? ये आपने पहले सीखा है. Additive inverse numbers, two numbers whose sum is 0. Those numbers are called additive inverse numbers. Can you give me example? 5 plus negative 5, 10 plus negative 10. So yes, a plus negative a equals to 0. Any rational number and its inverse rational numbers, their sum will be 0. And what is multiplicative inverse, वो भी आपने सीखा है कि if the product of two numbers is 1, then they are called the multiplicative inverse of each other. Example, a into 1 upon a equals to 1. यहाँ पे रिजल्ट 0 आएगा, यहाँ पे रिजल्ट 1 आएगा. इसका एग्जाम्पल कैसे ले सकते हैं हम? 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय वॉट इक्वल्स टू 1. सो 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 अपॉन 5 इज 1. और what is the multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 3? That is 3 upon 2 equals to 1. So these are the properties of rational numbers.